It's good for real?
Yep.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Drea. You're watching That's So Drea, and today I'm back with another video. I have you guys mounted in my car so I can pay attention to the road. But I had to get this intro in really quickly. So it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. By the time you guys see this, it's gonna be the day after Thanksgiving if I can push this video out very quickly. But anyway, I am on my way to my mom's. We're doing something small, but I just had to get in here. I'm gonna kind of document like the Thanksgiving as much as I can. You gotta fellowship with your fam. So yeah, I made a whole vegan Thanksgiving, so that's another thing. You guys will be able to see what I cooked, and we'll see if my family tries it. I'm still trying to figure out how to do small versions of I will give you guys one thing I cooked. So one thing I did cook was vegan mac and cheese. I tried a new recipe, so hopefully you guys, my family tries it. Like, they have confidence in me and just try it, and hopefully they'll like it. I tried a different recipe than what I did last year. So I actually did vegan Thanksgiving last year, but I still ate regular food too. But I just tried making vegan foods. So yeah, as I was saying, I tried this new vegan, it's like vegan celebration roast, and so it's like pretty much like a vegan turkey roast type thing, or turkey-less roast. So I did that. Like, you guys are gonna see that, but I'm just really excited. Like, I really went out my way to this year. I was like, I'm about to make that mac and cheese. I'll show y'all everything how it looks, but I'll tell y'all what I cooked. I cooked mac and cheese. I did the roast. I made a vegan sweet potato pie. I did alter the mixture a little bit differently, so hopefully it's good. What else did I make? I made greens, like my version of greens. I used kale because I couldn't find collard. So yeah. So anyway, so I have that. What else did I make? Oh, I made cornbread. Like, it's called confetti cornbread. It's vegan. We'll see about that one, because that one was like, I had to go. I don't even feel like I mixed it all the way, so it's very dense when I looked at it. But maybe that's what cornbread's supposed to be like. I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna do a taste test to see if it's trash. It's okay, because literally that was one that I looked up really quickly and just threw it in the oven before I had to get back to my grandmother's house. So we're at my grandmother's house, and we're gonna go ahead and take everything in. And I think we're gonna do stuff different this year. Obviously, with the pandemic, we're gonna have like more of our immediate family, so family that's kind of been around each other already, like not anyone new. So yeah, so stay tuned. Like, stay tuned for the video, because yeah, it's a vegan Thanksgiving around these parks. This is my vegan mac and cheese, and then I just tried this field roast. This is what I was talking about, the field roast. I made my version of greens, some cornbread that I'm not too impressed by, but it still tastes good. And then this here is my vegan sweet potato pie. So yeah, this is all my vegan. Oh, and then my mom made me some vegan spaghetti salad. That's vegan cheese.
Have you used up shine at your house?
And what else? I think that's it. Oh, and then I have some. Might want to take out this rice. I can get an actual thing. Thanksgiving. So good. And desserts. Desserts is right here. This is mine. This is, looks so good, but I know it's not vegan. I don't know what this is. Probably sweet potato pie. Uncle Ryan gonna taste it.
I got a big old jug in there, like with the juice in.
Oh, okay.
And it's full. I keep it with with steak.
Look at you explaining your palate. What you think? A non-vegan? What's your thoughts? It's good for real? Yep. That's so cool. Guys, look at Leo.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. I didn't give you no hands up, did I? Sorry. Alright.
What's that?
What's up? Face beat, hair beat. I need a wig. Gotcha.
This week, oldest ever. This is birthday week.
That ain't that old. Girl, people be having their
July,
wigs.
but it do all kind of stuff.
Yes. But yes. We got through eating. What did we eat? You tried my vegan food?
Oh yeah, Dre did that with her vegan food.
Thank you. Are you asleep? So I tried vegan food and my uncle tried it. Right.
I'm over here eating
Sissy.
myself up.
Let me see. This is your plate.
It's just all
That ain't that bad. That ain't that bad. Let's look good. So
it's a celebration roast.
it's a celebration roast.
No story short.
You're so beautiful.
all the way
Me
down.
too.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, look, somebody was like, y'all look just like my coworkers was looking at our pictures like, oh my gosh, y'all look just like, I'm like, oh, that's my auntie.
That's funny. Hey, y'all. So
Yes.
I'm serving weed vibes, Mrs. Piggy. Today.
Not the Mrs. Piggy.
Funny because it do look like that. Now that you say
It does. Like, where did it come from?
I don't know.
Don't put my sister and pig in the same sentence.
Girl, I'm
Thank you.
getting it together.
Thank you.
So, yeah, I'm serving weed vibes today. Mom over
Me and
here
Mila got the
say
same
we
hairstyle
say.
today.
See
me?
I didn't feel like getting it.
Right, that's actually not bad though. It's not. We're going the easy route today.
Yes.
Hair slayage.
Outfit today, I'm a little blurry,
Outfit
y'all.
cute. Picture be posted on the socials. Y'all see
Yeah,
it.
y'all. Before I ate. When I eat, I eat.
I'm happy he is eating his bread. Do you like your bread?
No,
Yes, you do.
it's a horse.
It's a what? A horse? It's a horse. Can I have your bread?
Yes.
You'll give it to me?
Mm,
You can give me your bread?
mm.
Uh-huh. I knew you didn't mean a yes. My first time making this. Oh yeah, I'm vlogging. What you playing with? Yes, you want. Okay, teacher's gonna come out and play with you. Remember, I'm gonna get my dessert. I'm gonna get my dessert and then I'm gonna come out and play. Okay? Okay. So y'all, it's so cute. Like I can't even. So I made this from scratch, y'all. Like I feel so proud of myself.
Got her, so what is that?
Yeah, I didn't know I was
Thank
wearing
you.
this until 10 minutes before we left.
Like, no, man, this what you wearing.
So y'all,
I
I
was
told
gonna
y'all,
have some sweats
I made my vegan food. Y'all,
and a
listen,
t-shirt and a
it's a
sweatshirt.
hit. This is my first time making my this from scratch. Here it's just a sweet potato pie, but it's vegan. So I'm about to go ahead and dive in. Okay, I just need a fork, Mama. You kind of bless me with a fork real quick. I said a blessing. I need a blessing, right, Pastor? Yay!
Right, you need a blessing.
I see my dessert. Oh, Mila.
Oh, thank you,
Nice
baby.
dessert.
What you got,
I guess it's a treat.
Mila?
A dessert treat.
All right, what does it taste like?
Ugh.
It's good. It could stay in a little bit longer.
Could have stayed in there a bit longer.
There's a taste to it, but you know.
That's sweet potato.
Yep. You just throw it up in. I'm just throwing it in the oven. I get back to the house. Ain't no problem. Hi on it though. Sorry.
Say hi.
Mila, say hi. She's so silly. I got your method. Thank you. I've been working with this. Thank you. I've been working. Shout out to you. Oh, he closed the
You look like you sleep.
I'm laying down. I'm taking my post.
So,
You just have to do what you have to do. That's all.
yes, you do. Yes, you do. So we are wrapping up tonight. I think I'm gonna go to my mom's.
Yes.
I'm on video. You wanna say hi?
You gonna stay at your mom tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. I spent the night the other night. She be liking me over. So my Nana. Did you have a good Thanksgiving, Nana?
Yes, I did.
Yes, you
I
did.
loved it.
You put your baby to sleep.
Yes, I did.
Liam was knocked out on Nana. She did really good. Nana, you still got it. You been good. Didn't you take care of
I
baby?
used to put the other to sleep like that.
You
too.
did. You used to do that to Quad. I think and Mila. Mila would be sleep on you too.
Well, yeah, but she never. I mean, when she was just that one,
Yeah, when she was
I didn't
little,
get a
little.
chance because your mom had her the most.
Oh
of the
yeah,
time.
my mama took over the baby.
Yeah.
But Nana you get to have your Nana. This your great grandchildren. This is my great grandmother. So she is Mila's, Quad, and Liam's great grandmother.
Right.
Nana, you doing great. Nana, honestly, Nana does great. She made her own dressing. Nana can go wherever she wants to go.
And then it's 89.
And Nana's 89, y'all. I'm just so blessed to have my Nana.
I'm so blessed
Yeah.
to have my grands.
It's been a great Thanksgiving. A great Thanksgiving.
Grands and my great grands.
Oh my
My
gosh.
great grand.
Honestly, you my great. Wait. You are, oh no, you my mom's grandmother.
Grandmother.
Yes, okay,
So
she
would
is
be
my
your
great.
grandmother.
Yes, and then Mila and them's great.
Great, right.
Oh my gosh.
Three times.
Nana, that's a beautiful thing.
It is.
So y'all, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. We got Lady G outside. Everybody has left. The kitchen
Yeah.
is clean.
Well, Charles said leave you out there for a while.
Okay.
You wanna
I got
take
so
a
much
picture,
stuff.
Bo?
No. I'm not gonna take a picture. I just wanted to. I ain't gonna bother because she gonna start barking.
She on the porch.
We see you. Yep. She. Nana, you got desserts out here too in this area. Y'all gonna have desserts for days.
Huh?
You got lots of dessert out there.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You honestly can leave it out because it's cool enough. Let's see what is out here. Look at all this dessert on this table. So we really had us like our, just like I said, intimate family. You know what I mean? Just with the pandemic, we just had the people we were around, my sister and her husband and her children. And yeah, so, well, I'm going to get to my mom's.
Okay, honey.
So I will see you later.
Okay.
Love you.
I love you too, honey. I
Mwah.
love you.
I love you, Papa.
I love you, baby.
I'll give you a hug.
I appreciate you, baby. I really appreciate you.
I appreciate you too, Papa.
Okay.
I love you. I'm going to my mama's house.
Okay, baby.
Okay. Okay.